At Automation Direct, we've got some great shopping tools to make you successful. So how do you buy from Automation Direct? It's as simple as adding to the cart and checking out. But maybe you need to do a few other things for your purchasing needs. Need to send a quote to a customer or coworker? Just add to cart and press Get a Quote. Need to save a parts list for a budget or to organize jobs? Just create a bill of materials. You can turn your cart into a bill of materials, or just add to one from the item page. You can also easily add commonly purchased items to your favorites. So what do you do with these quotes and BOMs anyway? You can go to My Account or the shopping cart to work with these, add to them, share, delete, or most importantly, move all these products straight to the cart when you're ready to buy. Supercharge your shopping experience at AutomationDirect.com, the common sense way to buy industrial controls. Click here to see all of our videos. Be sure to check out all of our web store tutorial videos here, and subscribe to the Automation Direct channel to be notified of new videos here.